Assalamu alaikum children. How are you? I think you're very good. Now, let us start our second lesson, the universe. Before going into this, I will show you some picture. See here, children. You're seeing some celestial bodies in this picture. Are these called stars, planets, or satellites? And what is the relation between these objects? Are these objects in motion? If so, what are these motions called? And why are they in motion? Now we answer all these questions. What are the celestial bodies in this picture? In this picture you are seeing sun. Sun is a star. And you are also seeing some spherical objects beside this big spherical object sun. So those are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. If you see all these are planets. What are these? These small spherical objects are called as these small spherical celestial bodies are also called as planets. What are these? Planets and star we are seeing here. If you see what is the relation between these objects and are these objects in motion? Yes, they are in motion. All planets are in motion and they are having two types of motion. If you see all these objects are revolving around the sun. They are in a motion called revolution. Revolution means they are moving around the sun and there some special paths. These special, the two, these are elliptical paths. These elliptical paths are called as orbits. Every planet is having its own elliptical path called orbit and they are in continuous motion. Among these, which is our home planet? Can you identify what is our home planet and what is the shape of that home planet? Now we see which is our home planet here. It is our Earth. What is the shape of this Earth? It is spherical in shape and it is a 3D shape also we can say. So the planet on which we live is called the Earth. It is spherical in shape. It is the only planet in the universe where life is known to be exist. Why life is possible on this Earth means we are having four components. These three major components we are having on this Earth. What are these major components? Means they are, one is water, next one is land and another one is air. If you see in this picture, you are having three celestial bodies. One is a star, another one is a satellite and another planet. So now we see the relationship between these three bodies and also we know more about our home planet Earth. What is the position of the Earth in our solar system? So its position is third. It is a third planet from the sun in the solar system. It has only one natural satellite, that is you are seeing here, moon. Without light and heat from the sun, no life can exist on the earth. So we are getting light and heat from the sun, and for the sunlight to reach our earth from the sun, it takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Now next we see about the motion of the earth. If you see motion of the earth, it is having two motions. One is rotation. The earth rotates at a fixed speed on its own axis from west to east. You should remember from which direction to which direction, that is from west to east in 24 hours, that is one day. Due to the rotation of this earth, day and nights are caused. Next, another motion of the earth is revolution. The earth takes 1 year, that is 365 1 by 4 days to complete one revolution around the sun and its own path called orbit. The earth's revolution is responsible for the change in seasons and variation in the length of day and nights. And due to the tilt axis, that is earth's axis, at an angle of 23.5 degrees. So you should remember, because of earth's revolution we are having seasons, and at the same time because of this revolution only there is a variation in the length of day and night. And what is the tilt angle of this earth's axis is 23.5 degrees. Now you're seeing here, what is this system called as? It is our solar system. What consists of in this solar system? In this solar system we are having the sun with its 8 planets and its natural satellites. So our solar system consists of star, planets and satellites. What is the nearest star to us and what is the shape of it? Now our nearest star is our sun and it is spherical in shape. And what is the ultimate source of energy of life for life on the earth is our sun. It is very big, that is the sun is very big, that it can accommodate 13 lakhs of earths in it. So now we can understand what is the size of earth and what is the size of sun. The sun is at the center of a very large family of heavenly bodies. What are heavenly bodies here? Planets and satellites. And it comprising of planets and their satellites, that is moons, asteroids, comets, meteors, which make up the solar system. All the 8 planets rotate on their axis and they revolve around the sun at different distances and at different speeds also in their elliptical paths called orbits. So now we can define the solar system as the solar system consists of sun, planets, its natural satellites, asteroids, comets, meteors. Okay, now if we see about stars, stars have the capacity of producing light and heat on their own, whereas the planets just reflect the light of the stars. Children, in your course book, page number 13, you are having a table. In that table, you are having name of the planet, length of the day, length of the year, and number of moons for that are for those particular planets. If you see in that table, Mercury and Venus has no natural satellites, that is moons, and Earth is having only one natural satellite, that is moon, and Mars having two natural satellites. Jupiter has 67 moons, Saturn has 62, Uranus 27, and Neptune 14 moons. So you should remember this table. So we continue our lesson in our next session. Up to that, study well, be well. Allah Hafiz.